Let's reread the story Sunflower House by Eve Bunting. Be sure to pay attention to the words that start with the S sound. Sunflower House. First, I pull out all the weeds. Then, I sow my sunflower seeds. It says to set them in a line, but Dad says round and round is fine. Did you hear any S sounds? I heard the word sow, sunflower, seeds, says, set, and says. I gave them water every day and shoo the pesky birds away. Go eat the berries on the tree. These sunflower seeds belong to me. Did you hear any S sounds? I heard the sound at the beginning of the word seeds and sunflower. The package says they're guaranteed a mammoth flower grows from each seed. My friend Bernice says, there's no way. You don't know everything. I say, wait. The stems poke up, all ringed around, a pale green circle in the ground. I heard the word stems. Did you hear the S sound? Great job. They're growing tall. They're growing fast. And oh my gosh, sunflowers at last. All frilly yellow, big and bright. Mammoth is the word, all right. The petals open wide and spread. A golden roof above my head. My friends come rushing down to see the sunflower house hand grown by me. There's lots of room inside for three. Mom brings us cookies and iced tea. But Mom and Dad can't fit at all. They're much too big and wide and tall. I heard the word spread and sunflower. All summer long, the house is ours. We play it in for hours and hours. It's a castle, it's a cage. We're jungle beasts that roar and rage. The word summer starts with the S sound. My friends sleep outside with me one night, bundled up and snuggled tight. Moon shadows shiver on the ground. The sunflower whisper all around. I heard sleeps, snuggles, and sunflower. They whisper songs of heat and rain, all things too secret to explain. I see the stars play peekaboo and wish, a wish that can't come true. The words song, secret, and stars and seas all start with the S sound. One day the leaves are tinged with brown. A flower comes tumbling, rumbling down. Next day, some more bend over, fall, and now it's not a house at all. We tie it up with string and sticks, but it's impossible to fix. It's gone, there's nothing we can't do, not even with the glue all glue. Sticks starts with the S sound. Wait! There's still the puffy middle part that's filled with seeds enough to start another sunflower house next to spring with walls, a roof, and everything. It's neat to think when something's gone, a part of it goes on and on. It's such a super duper plan. We picked up all the seeds we can. Wow, there was lots of sounds. Still, seeds, sunflower, spring, sometimes, and super and seeds. Our pockets bulge, the blue jays come, the